Hi guys! So I wanted to make you a quick little video just to explain how Dropbox works. I'm going to have you turn in your interactive PDFs this way. It's a nice way to collect files from people. I usually do this in all of my classes. And it's really great for situations like this where maybe you can't be in the same room as someone to take something directly off of a flash drive, but you can turn in your files this way. You might use this at a job, sharing files with coworkers, or if you were doing a group project, you can all store your files in the same place and share it collaboratively. So it's a really great tool to use. You can also store all of your stuff on here personally, and no one else will have access to it. And I'm going to explain how that works just so that people aren't nervous about putting their files in here if they've never used it before. So when you first log into Dropbox, I'm going to send you an invitation to my file. And I believe it's going to just make you do a quick registration. All you need to do is put in your student email address and your name, and that's it. They don't collect any more information than that. So it'll bring you to this kind of, I don't know what you want to call it, like a desktop within the Dropbox file. You'll just go, it'll take you to www.dropbox.com. That's where your link is going to bring you. And this is where you can put all of your information that you want to store. It could be homework, it could be, whatever you guys need space for. It's a lot easier, I think, than dragging a flash drive around with you all day. A lot of people like having the flash drive because it's, right there in their hand. They know they have it. But this is, if you're looking for kind of an alternative, this might be a really nice place. So as you can see, I have all these different files here. You will not have all these different files here when you first come in here. You may see this one called Interactive PDFs because that's the one that I'm about to invite you to. But other than that, your folder will be empty. It may actually even bring you directly into the Interactive PDFs folder, in which case you'll see that name up here. Right now I'm in my GID 101 Design Theory folder, so that's the name at the top, and all of these folders are nested within it. So if it says Interactive PDFs at the top, then you're already in the correct folder and you can upload your file. If you see Interactive PDFs, the folder right here, you need to click on that folder to get inside of it and have the name appear right here where I'm swinging my mouse back and forth before you upload the file. Because what happens is when you share a folder in Dropbox, it'll put these two little figures here holding hands. I'm going to back up a little bit here to show you what it looks like. See here, chapter 7, these two people holding hands. That means that that folder has been shared with someone. So you need to, in order to share a file, it needs to be within a folder that has been shared. So if I were to just put something right here, if I were to add a new folder right here, you guys would not be able to see it because the only folder that I'm sharing with you is this Interactive PDFs. So what does that mean? Well, like I just said, make sure that you're actually inside this Interactive PDFs folder before you upload your file, which you'll be able to do by hitting this button here. Secondly, that means that if you're outside the folder, if you see the word Interactive PDFs right here and not up at the top here, that means you're outside that folder. You can store anything you want there and nobody else can see it. I can't see it, your classmates can't see it. That is strictly your storage space. It's only the folder with the two little people holding hands on it that more than one person has access to. So we'll go into this folder, and like I said, up here now it says Interactive PDFs at the top. That is exactly what you guys want to see. I have put this file here for you so you will know that you are in the right place. If we click on that, it just says, please be sure that your name is in the title of your file so that I can tell at quick glance whose project is whose. Also, like I said, other people do have access to this particular folder, so please, like it says here, I can't highlight it, but like it says there, do not delete other people's projects. I can see who is touching what, so if someone says that they uploaded their folder and then all of a sudden it's gone, we'll figure out who deleted it. So I know it will be an accident, no one's doing it maliciously, but once your folder is there, just don't click on any of the folders just to make sure that nothing gets deleted. All right, so if you click on this and read this, we will just get out of it by hitting the little X at the top here. And we're going to add a file by using this button right here, which is our upload. We click on that, it will bring you into this little guy here. I already uploaded this folder, so it's showing me what I've previously uploaded, but I can just add a new file. It will let me navigate to where I want to upload it, and down the bottom of the screen, once I've selected it, I just hit open. And as you can see, the file uploads. I now have 2 copies here. I'm going to hit done. I don't really need, oh, it may have actually saved over. I don't have 2 copies. I don't need to do anything else. Once that's there, you can come up here and sign out if you'd like, or you can just X out your browser window and stay logged in if you're working on your personal computer. Either one is fine. Again, I apologize for having to cancel class kind of at the last minute today. I did not anticipate that my car would be breaking down this morning, so I am very sorry about that. I will be setting up on Blackboard a little group discussion regarding the typography chapter that we read. So as soon as that is set up, I will send it right over to you. And thank you for being very understanding. If you guys have any questions with Dropbox or how to get your file to me, please let me know. All right, thank you.